what point does increasing budget actually reduce efficiency, and how can brands tell they have crossed the line?
Easiest way for you to remember and to see when you're losing efficiency is the example I just gave a few moments ago. The moment that you want to gain additional market share and you say, hey, I want to get additional market share. These are the keywords that exactly describe my product. Let me run exact match campaigns for each of those keywords to see, do I still have a chance, And if you're seeing that you don't even have a chance, you might be getting clicks, but no conversion. Again, you will have a better understanding why it's that, either your product is too expensive, either your creatives are not working, either you're shipping FBM when everyone else is shipping FBA. So those are the most important questions. Either you don't have a coupon on, your competitor has. So let's take it from that way. And from there, you're going to see, is this an ad issue? Is this a conversion issue? Because then we're going to treat them differently. What we're seeing most of the time, when most brands are spending a lot of money on advertising that is not working for them, and they are just like, oh, my ACE is so high and I cannot figure it out. I'm like, let's step back and understand why. What is causing that? You're not converting. People are not interested in my beautiful Maya or Never cup. Is that because right now, it's not Christmas? This is actually a Christmas gift that I got, right? So is it not Christmas? Is it a keyword that brought me lots of sales during Christmas time because people were shopping this for their loved ones? Or is this a product that is evergreen that anyone who's a cat lover or a dog lover or so on, they would purchase this for someone who they love? That was either anniversary or that is event related. That would be more evergreen versus seasonality. So those are the things that I would be looking into rather than I'm spending $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 more, and it's just not working. Understanding why is going to allow us to take the next action step rather than not understanding it. If this is successful and if you're going to invest more money and if your listing it works well, we don't have this discussion. That would be the differentiator between the two. When you're wasting money, you're gathering proof that it's not working. So there's other actions that needs to be done. And when you are investing correctly money.
Right. Before damage is done.
Correct.